Autodesk products, specifically AutoCAD, are all over the place.
I'm the president and owner of RJN Systems.
I'm senior CAD designer. I'm the vice president of engineering.
I had my own consulting practice.
I work in the facilities department.
Wow, how long have I been using AutoCAD? Let's go back to 1992 or 3. 1993, I think, is when I had my first AutoCAD class.
AutoCAD's flexibility and the commands that are there, just the overall ability of the software, never ceases to amaze me.
I use AutoCAD because it always seems to be the right program for the right project.
I use AutoCAD because it's the best design tool out there.
I think the process of choosing AutoCAD for your task is probably the biggest no-brainer that you can make in an engineering environment. It's ubiquitous.
AutoCAD is important in facility management because it's really our starting point for everything we do.
From the moment we start a project right to the final design documents, AutoCAD is with us every step of the way.
We use AutoCAD to start the beginning process with any project.
It's all about communicating design, and so we need to use the right Autodesk product at the right time.
And I think Autodesk got it right. They had engineers design this.
That's one reason why AutoCAD is such a treasured thing to us, is it's put together right.
I use AutoCAD because my clients use it. It helps them get their job done faster and achieve a better business result.
Without AutoCAD, my business would probably be floundering.
Without AutoCAD, my business would take a lot longer.
Our business wouldn't exist if I didn't have AutoCAD.
We just wouldn't be able to compete in the marketplace.
And I'd be working a lot harder to do things that AutoCAD just does for me.